Hello bro, welcome to this channel. On this video I will tell you guys how to open Excel file on Google Sheet mobile. So first of all, of course, you have to open your Google Sheets on your phone. No matter you are using iOS or Android, it's supposed to be similar method. So where's my Google Sheets? So this is my Google Sheets, and then I will open it. And then if this is the home page of your Google Sheet, there is no option of open. But until I realize this button. This button is help you to open file either from Google Drive or on your device storage. So I'll use device storage since I want to locate the Excel. For instance, this one is Excel format file, and then I will open it on Google Sheet, and that's it. This is the Excel file that I already opened using my Google Sheets mobile. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you think the content is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.